in San Jose, about one person has died in traffic crashes every single week since 2019. Recently, 529 were killed or seriously injured in Santa Clara County crashes, and 20% of those crashes were pedestrians. Even though pedestrians are only involved in a small portion of these crashes, they make up for like half of the traffic deaths in San Jose. And that's my issue, pedestrian safety. Primarily how those large SUVs, pickup trucks, and contractor vehicles make crashes more deadly because of the way they're shaped. The main part of the problem is that these vehicles are getting taller, they're getting blunter in the front. Some of these hoods are almost at chest height, and they're basically shaped like walls. San Jose should create a safe fleet rule for vehicles in the city that are paid by contractors. They cannot redesign every private truck or SUV because vehicle design is mostly federal, but the city itself can control what it buys and what it pays contractors to drive, because those very same trucks happen to be the ones commonly used by contractors. The rule specifically would prioritize direct vision, also straighting cameras, LiDAR system, pedestrian automatic braking, and all the assistance that a driver can have within the car to make it safer for pedestrians to interact around them. The problem persists because the federal government has been very slow on regulating dangerous vehicle design, and the market in America has been rewarding these bigger SUVs and pickups because they sell very well, and they seem to be part of the American identity. So companies have very little incentive to make it safer for pedestrians. San Jose did have a project called Vision Zero, but most of that project focused on the road design, the speed limits, and the enforcement for driver behavior. What San Jose has not focused yet enough is on its own fleet and on the vehicle design of that fleet. So my plan can be applied over 3 years. The city council should pass a safe fleets procurement standard. So on the first year, it would audit the fleet and adopt the standard. That means prioritizing the purchase of smaller trucks and just safer vehicles. And then over time, it would require all new city vehicles to meet that standard. And then it would grow it by applying to renewed city contracts and hopefully expanding that initiative to other cities. The main advantages of this proposition is that San Jose's own vehicles become safer and less likely to kill pedestrians. The rule directly targets blind zones, late braking, speed, side underride, and blunt front ends, and San Jose can become a model for broader change. And these statistics that I mentioned in the beginning, seeing them decline can be a leading number to have other cities follow San Jose's lead. San Jose cannot fix every dangerous vehicle, but it can act on where it already has power, on the vehicles that it already owns. And that's basically what my project goes over.